How did the Industrial Revolution transform beer brewing? Imagine a time when brewing beer was all about manual labor, simple tools, and small batches. Then came a wave of change that turned everything upside down. The Industrial Revolution, which started in the late 1700s and carried into the mid-1800s, changed how beer was made forever. It introduced machines, scientific tools, and new methods that made brewing faster, more consistent, and much larger in scale. One of the biggest changes was the use of steam engines. These engines replaced the need for human and animal power in key parts of brewing. Breweries started using steam-powered mills to crush grains more quickly and efficiently. They also used steam to pump liquids and move ingredients around. This meant breweries could handle much bigger batches of beer without needing more workers. It also lowered costs and sped up production. Scientists and brewers began using tools like thermometers and hydrometers. These devices helped them control the temperature during mashing and fermentation, which are critical steps in brewing. With precise temperature control, brewers could make beer more consistent from batch to batch. Hydrometers allowed them to measure sugar levels in the wort, helping them know when fermentation was complete and how much alcohol the beer would have. This led to better recipes and more reliable products. Another major innovation was the drum roaster, which allowed brewers to produce darker roasted malts without adding smoky flavors. This expanded the variety of beers they could make. Later in the 19th century, refrigeration technology was developed. This allowed breweries to ferment and store beer at controlled low temperatures all year round. It was especially important for brewing lagers, which need cooler temperatures than ales. Refrigeration improved beer quality and shelf life, making it possible to distribute beer over longer distances. Transportation also saw big improvements. Canals and railways made it easier to move beer from breweries to markets far away. This helped large breweries grow and reach more customers. Breweries shifted from small, local operations to big factories in cities, with specialized workers handling different parts of the process. Laws like the Beer House Act of 1830 encouraged more people to brew and sell beer, creating a lively pub culture and increasing beer consumption. All these changes meant beer became more consistent, more varied, and available to more people than ever before. The Industrial Revolution laid the foundation for modern brewing, transforming beer from a local craft into a large-scale industry. It made beer production faster, cheaper, and more reliable, opening up new possibilities for brewers and drinkers alike.